Every chart you've ever seen is built from candles. Each candle is a fight. Buyers versus sellers, open versus close, greed versus fear. Most traders see candles, they don't read them. There are over 50 named candlestick patterns. You don't need 50, you need 6, 3 bullish, 3 bearish. By the end of this video, you'll spot these 6 candlestick patterns instantly, every chart, every time frame. Let's get into it. Before patterns, understand the single candle: open, high, low, close. The body shows who won the session. Big green body, buyers dominated. Big red body, sellers dominated. Small body, they fought to a draw. The wicks show who tried and failed. Long upper wick, buyers pushed up, sellers slapped them down. Long lower wick, sellers pushed down, buyers slapped them up. Now think of it like a wrestling match. The body is who pinned who. The wicks are the moves they tried but didn't finish. That's it. That's a candle. Read every candle through this lens. Body shows control, wicks show rejection, and the patterns become obvious. 3 bullish patterns, that's all you need on the long side. 1. Hammer, small body at the top of the candle, long lower wick, at least twice the body, closes green or near the high, shows up at support. Sellers tried to push down, buyers crushed them and reclaimed the level. 2. Bullish engulfing, 2 candle pattern, a red candle followed by a big green candle that completely engulfs the body of the red one, closes near the high. This is a momentum shift in one session. 3. Morning star, 3 candle pattern, big red candle, then a tiny indecision candle, the star, then a big green candle that closes inside the body of the first red candle. Classic bottom reversal. Every bullish pattern only matters at support. A hammer in the middle of a downtrend with no level nearby is just noise. At the previous day's low, that's a setup. Strongest first. Bullish engulfing is the cleanest. Hammer is second. Morning star is third. But when it does fire, it's powerful. Same logic, opposite side. 3 bearish patterns. 1. Shooting star. Small body at the bottom of the candle. Long upper wick. At least twice the body. Closes red or near the low. Shows up at resistance. Buyers pushed up, sellers crushed them and reclaimed the level. 2. Bearish engulfing, a green candle followed by a big red candle that fully engulfs the body of the green one, closes near the low. Sellers took control in one session. 3. Evening star, 3 candle pattern, big green candle, then an indecision candle, then a big red candle closing inside the green body. Top reversal classic. Same rule applies. These only matter at resistance. Shooting star in the middle of an uptrend with no level above is just a pause. At yesterday's high, at a swing high, at a clean horizontal resistance, these patterns are tradable. Anywhere else, they're scenery. Here's where most traders go wrong. They see a hammer anywhere and think it's bullish. They see an engulfing in the middle of nowhere and buy. Candlestick patterns are not magic. They are signals about pressure. Pressure only matters at a level where someone cares. Rule 1. Patterns only matter at horizontal support or resistance, not in the middle of a trend, not at random. Rule 2. Bigger time frame means stronger pattern. A hammer on the daily is far more reliable than a hammer on the 5-minute. Same shape, different weight. If you can't identify the level the pattern is reacting to in 3 seconds, don't trade it. The level is what makes the pattern matter, not the shape. Rule 3. Volume should support the pattern. A bullish engulfing on heavy volume is way stronger than the same pattern on thin volume. And rule 4. Context matters more than the candle. A morning star after a long downtrend means more than the same pattern after a small pullback. Level, time frame, volume, context. Get these right and your candlestick patterns trading approach will actually work. Entry is always on the close of the pattern, not during, not based on hope, after the candle closes. For single candle patterns like hammer and shooting star, enter on the close of that candle. For 2 candle patterns like engulfing, enter on the close of the second candle. For 3 candle patterns like morning star or evening star, enter on the close of the third candle. SL goes a few ticks beyond the extreme wick of the pattern. For a hammer, below the lower wick low. For a shooting star, above the upper wick high. For engulfing patterns, beyond the engulfing candle's wick. Target is the next major level. Risk reward minimum 1 to 2. Risk per trade 1% of capital. Quantity follows SL distance. No exceptions. Pause this video and screenshot this. Save it. Read it every morning. These 5 rules will save you from 90% of the bad candle trades retail traders take every week. Quick recap. Every candle tells a story. Body shows control. Wicks show rejection. 3 bullish, hammer, bullish engulfing, morning star. 3 bearish, shooting star, bearish engulfing, evening star. Only valid at horizontal support and resistance. Bigger time frame is stronger. Volume must support. Context matters most. Entry on the close of the pattern. SL beyond the extreme wick. Target next level. Math always. Tomorrow, open any chart. Find one of these 6 patterns at a major level in the last 6 months. Mark how price reacted. Build the pattern recognition first. Subscribe and hit the bell button.